To solve this question, we have to trace the current flow in the entire circuit. So from what we have in the information here, we know that 1.5 ampere of current will flow out of the battery, and when it reaches this junction, then it will branch out into the first branch, second branch, and third branch, all connected in parallel. So as we can see that each branch has got 2 light bulbs each. The resistance of the 3 branches are the same. So the current will be divided equally into 3 branches, and that will give us 0.5 ampere each. Okay, so this 1.5 ampere of current will come to this junction, and 0.5 ampere will go through ammeter D, and the remaining 1 ampere will go through ammeter A. And this 1 ampere of current, when it comes to this junction, 0.5 ampere of current will flow through A, and the remaining 0.5 ampere will go through ammeter B. And we find that after that, all the 3 branches current will join up, and then they will come back to the battery as 1.5 ampere. So the answer should be A. We can see that at the beginning, 3 ampere of current flows through the 2 ohm resistor. And if we were to add a resistor of 2000 ohm across in parallel, the current that will flow through the 2000 ohm resistor, it will be V over R, 6 divided by 2000. That will give us 0.003 ampere. So this will be 0.003 ampere. So the current that is passing through the ammeter, it will be 3 plus 0.003, it will be 3.003 ampere. So it will be slightly more than 3 ampere. D. This is a potential divider question. So when the contact S is at P, the potential difference across X, Y is basically the potential difference across this 10 ohm resistor. So at P, the voltage that is recorded will be R1 over R1 plus R2 times V total. This is a potential divider method. So it will be 10 over total resistance of 10 plus 10 times total voltage is 6 volt. So this will give us 3 volt. Okay, and as the contact slides down to Q, we see that the potential of X and Y, they have the same potential. So the potential difference when the contact S is at Q, potential difference will be equal to 0. So when the contact S moves from P to Q, we see that the potential difference recorded between X and Y will decrease from 3 volt to 0 volt. So the answer should be B. Okay, based on the question, we understand that as the temperature increases, the resistance of the thermistor will decrease. And using the formula I is equal to V over R, we understand that when resistance decreases, the current will increase. So the correct answer will be the one that shows that as temperature increases, the ammeter must increase with it. So the answer will be A. Okay, to find the total current I, basically we have to find I1 and I2, which are the 2 current that flows into the 2 light bulb. Okay, so using the formula, P is equal to VI, I is equal to P over V. I1 can be found by 24 divided by 6, that will give us 4 ampere, and I2 will be 24 divided by 12, that will give us 2 ampere, and I is equal to I1 plus I2, that will be 4 plus 2, which is 6 ampere. Answer is D.